Hello students, I am Taruna Seni and I will teach you economics. And as you know that due to the COVID-19 there are many problems, schools are closed and there is no situation that school will open very soon. So in order to make you aware and in order to make you regular, we have started online classes at our institute. So I will teach you economics from today onwards. Today is your day one. So what we will do today, we will go through what is the syllabus of 11th class, and after that we will study what we will study in our chapter 1, and from tomorrow we will regularize topic which we have to study. So let's go through, let's start. So here you can have a look that economics, the subject code is 030. In your CBSE the subject code is 030. When you will get the CBSE mark sheet, then in that or the date sheet, that subject code is 030. And for session 2020-21, the syllabus which is there, I will explain what is in the syllabus. There will be a theory paper and that will be of 80 marks. Theory paper there will be, and then there will be a project that carries of 20 marks. So in overall your economics exam will be of 100 marks. So 80 marks for theory and the 20 marks for the project, and the time allowed for giving the exam is 3 hours. And your syllabus includes two parts, part A and part B for the theory, and it has part C for the project. So for theory part, what are included in theory part? First part is statistics. Syllabus has been changed. So in part A you will study about statistics, and in part B you will study microeconomics. Earlier it was in +2 and statistics was in 11, but now the syllabus has been changed. So in part A you have to study statistics, and in part B you have to study microeconomics. In your +1 class we have to make the base of the economics, and I am assuring you people that whatever you will understand in 11th and 12th, that will definitely help you in your colleges also. So in part A, what syllabus you have to go through? In statistics we have to study the introduction part, we have to study the introduction, and we have to study the collection, organization and presentation of data. And these two topics are of 13 marks and it will take 24 periods. And then we will study about statistical tools and interpretation, that will be of 20 marks. So statistics will be of 40 marks. Statistics will be of 40 marks. And then we will study microeconomics. Microeconomics is again of 40 marks. Complete theory paper is of 80 marks and project is of 20 marks. So in microeconomics we will study introduction, then consumers equilibrium and demand, then producer behavior and supply, and then forms of market. Introduction is of 4 marks, consumer equilibrium and demand is of 13 marks, producer behavior is of 13 marks, and forms of market is of 10 marks, and in overall it is of 40 marks. So your theory paper will consist of 80 marks. So from tomorrow we will start our unit 1, that is part A. So what we will study tomorrow, let's discuss today. We will study unit 1, introduction. In our next video we will understand what is economics and what is the meaning, scope, functions and importance of statistics in economics. इकोनॉमिक्स में स्टैटिस्टिक्स का क्या रोल प्ले है, क्या इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस है, दैट वी विल स्टडी इन टुमारोज वीडियो. Today's video is only for the introduction part, and I told you that your economics paper for 11th class is of 80 marks theory and 20 marks for the project, and in overall it is of 100 marks. Time allowed to you people is 3 hours, and it will consist of the two parts, that is statistics that carries of 40 marks, and then microeconomics that is of 40 marks, and another is of project that is of 20 marks. So from today we have started the classes, and in next video we will start chapter 1. Thank you. God bless.